Come with me today as we check out our Elon model home over here at the Crossings in Flowers Plantation in Clayton. This beautiful townhome is 2,262 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with a 2-car garage. And my favorite part of this home is that it has this workstation here, which is a built-in desk. And it's a very open floor plan, and it truly feels like a single family home. So much cabinetry that comes with this home and such a big kitchen. You really can't go wrong with this floor plan. This home also comes with this huge loft here, perfect for additional space needed. And this is probably the world's biggest master bedroom closet that you'll ever see. Does come with a tile shower. As you can see, we have changed things here. There is a linen closet in the secondary bathroom. So much space. And here are the 2 secondary bedrooms. Want to stop by the Crossings, or if you're looking for more information, give me a call, text, email, and we'll get an appointment scheduled.